What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to get a Toyota Camry unlocked and open if the battery dies in it or if the battery dies in our key fob. So the Toyota Camry we're going to be demonstrating on this video is a 2017 and it has a push button start ignition. So in either one of those scenarios, if the battery's dead in our fob or if the battery's dead in the vehicle and our vehicle's locked, what we need to do is take a look at our fob. We need to get this emergency key out of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. And now we're just going to use this emergency key to unlock the driver's door. And then we'll turn it to the right or clockwise to unlock. And then from there, you can pop your hood to access your battery, to charge or change it. Or if you need, if your fob is dead, you just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.